Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair's a little crazy. I just let it go. Just let it go crazy today. Just go with it. All right. I just celebrated my 33rd birthday. It was fun. I had a good time. I'm now 33. I'm enjoying the rest of Memorial Day weekend. I had an awesome birthday. I've been playing VR with my husband and my family. It's been so much fun. I am so obsessed. There's like a Star Wars game that's really cool. I played that. That was epic. I've played a Beat Saber game that's really fun too. But I'm really obsessed with killing zombies. It's fun. It's really addicting. Even if I have to keep starting over till I get to a certain point, but it's so much fun. But anyways, I'm going to get into a look using the Morphe 39s Gem Artistry Palette, and I want to do a more colorful, just boom in your face look. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with Perfection. I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Oh yeah. I love Perfection. It's so pretty. I'm going to put a little bit on my inner lid and inner corner to get a nice shimmery highlight. I always like to start off with my highlights. I'm weird. Then I'm gonna pop my finger on it, because even though I really don't need that pigment, I need that pigment because I love it. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with, first up I'm gonna go in with a transition shade. So I think I'm gonna go in with Super Swanky. All right, no, I'm not. Sorry. I'm gonna go into Pink Prize. That is a much lighter transition shade. So pretty. Pink Prize. And I'm just putting it in my crease and going back and forth. Blending, blending, blending. Love that. Okay, so before we go any further, I love that. They're so pretty. I'm going to close my ginormous palette. And I'm going to take my beauty blender, because we're gonna get into some dark shades. And I'm going to put a generous amount of setting powder underneath my eyes, so that if I have any fallout, this will save my face makeup. That's gorgeous, isn't it? That always looks awesome. Okay. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go into, what is the next pinkish? That's really, really super pink. I'm gonna go into Purple Majesty. That is so pretty. So pretty. Oh, that deepened up the crease so nicely. I love that. Okay, then next I'm gonna go in with Grape Mines. This is really purple. Get a little bit more, tap off the excess, and just, yeah, there it is. And just blend that into the crease. On my outer third lid, just brush that on there, blend it on the lid, blend, blend, blend. That's getting purple, just what I wanted. Hello, purple. And then I want to deepen the crease just a little bit more. I'm going to go in with, what is this? Oh, Make It Rain. Like Purple Rain. This is going to be, I'm going to tap off the excess because this is a very dark purple. I just want to deepen my crease, just slightly darker. And then I want to take a fluffy, clean blending brush and just blend all of that out so it's not too harsh. Blend it. Just like Morphe says, blend the rules. And blend just a little bit so this isn't too harsh, but I love how dark that is. I'm gonna go into Purple Majesty and I'm going to go on my lower lash line with a round, this is a mini round brush by Luxie. 141. Now with my flat brush, this one is by Alamar Cosmetics in the Hojitos Trios. I am going to cut my crease because I really want to use Take the Crown. So I'm going to take my flat brush, put some concealer on it. Concealer. And I'm going to dab it where I want to cut the crease. Look up. That's my guideline. I'm going to carefully fill in where the crease to be cut. Then I'm gonna go in with my, I'm gonna try with the flat brush to go in with the flat brush for Take the Crown, because last time these shadows I couldn't really, yeah, you really need to put your finger, really need to pop your finger on it. Ooh, that one is really creamy and really soft. So I'm gonna pop my finger on there. Exactly where all the concealer is. Very creamy. Oh my goodness. That's pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with my purple so I can blend my, I'm gonna go in with Great Minds with my fluffy brush, tap off the excess, go in, blend where the cut crease ends so that I can blend that out so there's no harsh lines. And then I'm gonna go in with Make It Rain. And blend that out as well. Okay, that's what that looks like. I'm going to finish the other eye. See the difference? I'm going to finish the other eye. Wipe this off with my amazing big fluffy brush. See? But I can't wipe the other off until I finish it. So I'm going to finish my other eye and I'm going to do my liner and lashes and then we'll be done with this look. Okay guys, I didn't want to take away too much from this look, so I'm going to use the Tarteist Lip Paint in Insta Famous. It's just this gorgeous lip gloss. And it smells like, I want to say vanilla and Tootsie Rolls almost. It smells so good. And it's got so many like different reflex in it. It's got purple and blue and pink. It's just so gorgeous. So guys, this is the final look. Purple, smoky, silvery, just gorgeousness. I love it. I'm obsessed with the 39s Gem Artistry Palette by Morphe. It's amazing. You can do so many gorgeous looks with it. Amazing. There no words. I'm obsessed. I did a pink look on my birthday. It came out so gorgeous. I just love it. So you guys should totally, if you weren't hooked by my first video with the 39s Gem Artistry Palette, you guys should totally, definitely get it now. If you guys are not hooked yet, I don't know what's wrong with you then. But this is so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. My hair is crazy. But I am obsessed with this purple smoky look. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today, and I hope you guys pick up this palette because it is amazing. Morphe.com, Gem Artistry Palette, 39s. Amazing. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.